Agile. In the last lecture, we learned what lean product development is and how it differs from full-blown product development. In this lecture, we'll be learning about Agile, one of the core concepts of modern product management. You've probably heard of Agile before. In this lecture, we're going to learn exactly what it is and why it's so popular. Agile is important for a product manager to understand. It's just a way of applying the lean methodology to software development. Yep, that's it. Agile is just a way of applying lean methodology to software development. Agile is a project management framework for software development. It's an iterative method of software development where you focus on a few of the most important features first, release them, gather user feedback before you go on and develop the next round of features. So, to recap, in this lecture, we've learned exactly what Agile software development is. It's an iterative method of software development where you focus on a few of the most important features, gather feedback, then create the next version of your product. In the next lecture, you'll be learning about two popular Agile software development frameworks, Scrum and Kanban. You will be using either one of these methods in your day-to-day life as a product manager. So get ready to make some notes.